Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back. Again we are here. Physical education and sports for children with special need, that is known as Divyang +1 class, and it is part 9. Part 9 of this chapter number 4. So in previous part we discussed about that what is inclusion, what is inclusive education. Okay, or previous one, like we can say second last one, we completed about the from where or what is this inclusion, or how Indian government also implement this program in India. So today we will do implementation of inclusion. Implementation of inclusion. To facilitate the inclusive education. To facilitate the inclusive education, school or government have to implement properly implement Right to Education Act. Okay, we know under Right to Education Act, or which type of policy made by Indian government for the children with special need, that should be implemented properly in our school with the effort of the management of the school, or even those are the government members of the education system in district wise, in block wise, or at the state level or national level. Okay, to facilitate the inclusive education in schools. Okay, second one, proper trained teacher for the special child have to teach them, because somewhere difference is there, like I am teaching you, or that person, the teacher who will teach the student who is disabled one, difference will be there. Maybe I also don't know which type of method I am going to implement, or I have to implement on the special need child. So for that, if my duty will be in future somewhere to give the education, to give the sports training to the child who is having special need, so I have to attend many type of seminars, or many type of courses are available in the education policies or society education system, that at first I will get the training how to give education to the special child. So same thing, the teacher who is having a knowledge to give the proper education, how to give the education to special child, so they have to hire, or they are to selected by the schools or government, and then they can give the education to the child who is having special need. Third one, special program, or we can say curriculum should be implemented by the teachers for children with special need. Means what is the curriculum or what is the program? A teacher who is having a training of how to teach a special child. So for special child, special program should be there, special curriculum should be there to teach them. Like I am teaching you orally or verbally. Orally we can say writing, or like speaking verbally, like speaking. So both thing I am doing. Suppose a person who is having a visual disability, so he is not having we can say he is not having a guts, he is not having a eyes, or we can say visual capability to see what is writing on the board, what teacher is writing on the board. So to teach that type of child, or the teacher who is having a who is deaf one, behra, so signal education system, we can say a signal, through signals we can teach them. Or visual one, like you know that a brain lipi, I think it is known as brain lipi, dots are there on the book, so through that we can teach the child. So for these type of child, a special program we have to give. Suppose a practical class I have to give, a student is there who is disabled one. So according to his disability, if I am a sports teacher, I have to provide them the facility on the ground according to them. Basketball match is there, maybe the rule of the game they have to use wheelchair, or then they can play. Okay, volleyball match is there, suppose a disabled person is there, you know that in Paralympics you can check volleyball match, they are playing the match with sitting posture. Sitting posture they are playing the match. So these type of facility I have to provide, these type of program I have to provide to the student, those are having a special need. Counselor, all the therapist, here I know physiotherapist, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, physical educator, special educator. Always do work after, or we can say behind the child with special need. Maybe they need a physiotherapy, so a physiotherapist always should be in that, always present there. Occupational therapist, those are maybe going to complete their education, like a 3-year course is there, or they are in the 3rd year. So which type of occupation they have to choose for their life. Physical educator means for games and sports. Special educator means in special child. Special educator are also there, those are having a deep knowledge regarding the disability or disabled person. Okay, 5th one, school have to provide them proper, or we can say necessary facilities. School have to provide them proper or necessary facilities in their school period, or we can say simply in school. Okay, proper or necessary facilities means like if we talk about a classroom means proper light facility will be there, fan should be there, sanitation should be there, ventilation should be there, proper bench facility will be there according to their capability, means on which type of bench they can sit easily or which type of chair they require. So these type of facilities, even teachers, board, okay, all things are under these facilities. For their lab, we can say practical things. If we talk about the ground facility, according to their capability, ground facility should be there. All things must be there in the school. Next one is there. It is important to involve the parents of child. We know a special educator or a teacher who trained with the program or curriculum for children with special need, they know how to treat the child. But somewhere what happen, the parents of the child, they don't know how to treat their child or which type of requirement, which type of thing is necessary for their child to complete their work, to fulfill their needs. So it is the duty of school or department, or we can say government, to involve their parents also in the program. So through that they can also know how to train their child when they are not in the school, they are at home, or which type of facility or which type of we can say curriculum or all other needs they have to provide to the child. Okay, so parents after the school, they will compute, they will add some special thing in the curriculum or in the we can say life of the special need child. Okay, so it is very important point. Next one is there, students with special need. They have to treated like normal one. Here we can say without sympathy, means in front of them we will not show them that you are special one, we will not compel them to realize that you are special one, that's why my sympathy is there. Means normal behavior we will show, normal behavior, with normal behavior we will treat them. Next one is there, if the program is not effective, then we have to change it. Means which type of curriculum, which type of program we implement, which type of method we implement to teach the special need child. If their result we are not seen in the future or in test, then we have to change the program according to the needs of the child. So these are the point, or except this we have to teachers should be updated according to the government rules and regulation or right to act of education. Any new thing government add, any type of seminar government organize, or any other organization organize a seminar in which we will get the methods or which type of curriculum we have to make for the special need child, that thing we will learn from these type of curriculum. So a teacher should be updated, means always be sensitive, okay, to update, to upgrade the knowledge of the teaching method, how to give education to the children with special need. Okay, for this topic this much. check the points properly, or PDF also maybe you get, or I will send you if you will not get. Okay. One more thing, dear student, group we made of physical education. If anybody want to any your friend is there who is not add in the group, or any that like your new you want to add a new number, like you are using your parents number, or your parents provide you a new phone or new number. If you want to add that, so you have to tell your class in charge, or I think through reception, what is the method. Directly don't send numbers to me. Okay. If the message come from principal sir to me that this number Sachin sir you have to update in your group, then I will update. Otherwise, if you will send sir add this number instead of this number, so I will not add. Okay. So check the all videos properly. If any doubt is there, your doubt you can send in the group, like 4 or 5 doubts are there, different topic. So to clear that doubts, I will make a one videos like +1 class doubts. I will clear in one video. That video we will upload on our YouTube page. So dear students, thank you and take care of your health. Namaste.